Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and in this episode I'm gonna show you the time lapse for creating this image that you see here. And before I do that, I wanna just go over the whole process of it just real quick, and it's gonna be very similar to the previous episode. So first I want to show you what the 3D kit looks like, the one that I use for this set of images. And it's a very simple kit. You can get this kit with a full tutorial over at my store that you can check, and the link I'm gonna put in the comment section below or in the description. But you can get this kit, this 3D kit. You will get the Blender file, OBJs, 4K textures, and all that good stuff. And you will also get a full tutorial with comments and commentary on how I built it and how I created one of the images that I did for this project. And so, just to give you a little overview of the 3D kits, you got some floors and some individual bricks and rocks and um, columns, stairs, and all these little things that simple objects that you can use to create more complicated objects like the ones that you see back here. And these you can use to create even more complicated objects and scenes like the painting that I'm going to be demonstrating in this episode. So it's very simple. You get a few textures. Let me close in here so you can actually see them. And so yeah, so once I created this kit, I'll go ahead and actually build the scene. And if you haven't seen that, you can check the previous episode. And pretty much it's the same scene as the previous image, but it's just a different angle and just a slightly different setup in with the characters and all that. But once I set that up, this is the image. Once I set that up, I made the render, and I just want to show you the difference between the final image and the render, which is from here to here. So this is the final image, and this is the render. As you can see, the major change is probably the color grading and color correction and the mood and all that, and accentuating some of these elements in the scene. But once I get the render, and I'll do a different episode for this, but once I get the render, I usually get like a couple different render passes that I can use for my process on it. And so with these passes, they help a ton with creating selection and doing different effects that I usually constantly use on my pieces. And so yeah, so I got ambient occlusions or normals and some C depth passes that helps me make selections and all the good things that just help me speed up the process. But this is the raw render, and now I'm just gonna show you the time lapse from going to here into here, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Again, if you would like to get the full tutorial and the 3D kit, you can get that at my store, and if not, please enjoy this time lapse. Till the next one.